Hi friends, I hope you had a great weekend. Just a couple of things. In your packet this week, in your folder, there is a Ziploc bag with a pipe cleaner and some beads. And we're gonna be doing this activity on Friday where we make a beaded bracelet that's a Christmas pattern colored. So that's for. If you wanna, we're doing it in class on Friday, but you could do it any day. So remember, a pattern is something that happens over and over again. So if you do red, red, white, white, red, red, white, white, that's a pattern. If you do red, white, red, white, red, white, that's a pattern. So go ahead and, or I just wanted to explain that was so that you weren't wondering, what is this in here? Okay, so it's just a little fun little pattern activity that you can do. For math today, so today is what, December 7th. So just to review, if you see a minus sign, that means getting smaller. Minus means getting smaller. But there's something that we have to pay attention to this time, so I'm gonna do this one with you, okay? Because we're gonna be learning something new. Let me show you kind of what it is. So if you have two numbers that are the same, kind of like doubles, when you're doing subtraction like this, 4 minus 4 equals, so if you have 4 balls and you minus 4, so you take them away, all 4 of them, how many do you have left? 0. So when you're doing subtraction and you take away all the things, so it's the same number, you have 4 things and you take away 4 things, it's gonna be 0, okay? So go ahead and get your paper out and we can do this together. I might go a little fast, so you can push pause in between the rows and catch up if you need to, but I just don't want this video to be super long for you. So, okay, 4 minus 4, so this is what I'm talking about. If you have 4 things and you take 4 things away, you have 0. 2 minus 0. So now you have to start thinking what you're taking away. So we're not taking away anything, right? Because it says 0 things, so it's still 2. 1 minus 0 equals 1. 3 minus 3. 3 candies, you're taking 3 candies away, so now you have 0. 6 minus 0 equals 6. 6 minus 6 equals 0. 7 minus 0 equals 7. So just have to think about what the bottom number is if you're taking nothing away, you keep the top number the same. If you're taking all the things away, then it's going to equal 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. 3 minus 0 equals 3. 9 minus 9 equals, what is it? 0. Okay, bottom row, these are all minus 1. So meaning we're just going to go 1 less, okay? So these are all going to be the same. So if you see minus 1, we're just going to take the top number and make it smaller. Ready? 3 minus 1 equals 2. 10 minus 1 equals 9. 6 minus 1 equals 5. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 9 minus 1 equals 8. Okay, now for the addition problems, adding right down here, remember the doubles? 8 plus 8 equals 16. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 8 plus 0 equals 8. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Again. 2 plus 1 equals 3. All right, maybe go through this with somebody else, with your mom or dad, and just ask them if you did it right. And if you need to practice any of those, then just keep going with that. Nice job. Okay, our paper, we're going to be writing the number 46 today. So let's go ahead, write our name. Okay, let's write the date. Remember, the December is the 12th month. It's the last month. There's only 12 months. So you write a 12. Okay, then you're going to do a little dash. Today is the 7th day in that month. So we're going to say December 7th, and the year is 2020. And today is Monday. 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 Okay. Trace the number 46. Ready? Downside right and cut it in two. Slant down, down and give it a curl to write the number 46. Downside right and cut it in two. Slant on down and give it a curl to make the number 46. Okay, number 2. Zane had 3 dimes. 1, 2, 3. His sister gave him 2 more dimes. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show how many dimes he has now. He first had 3. His sister gave him 2. So we're going to add them together. So it's going to be an addition problem. The first number you're going to write is 3 plus 2 equals how many altogether? 1, 2, 3, 5. How many dimes does he have now? 5 dimes. Okay, we're going to be doing something different here. Normally we write the number that's more. Today we're going to write the number that's less. So less means smaller. So if you see this 8 here and there's a line before it, what comes before 8? 7, right? What comes before 15? 14. Sometimes I would tell you that you could count. You know, if you don't remember, you could count. But look at this high number. We're going to do 57. So let me teach you something with the 23. So with the 23, instead of counting all the way to 23 to see what comes before it, if you think, these are the 20s, so I know it's going to be a 2. And 23, what comes before 23 in the 20s? The first number will stay the same. The second number will be 1 less, so it'll be 22. Let's try it with the 57. Okay, it's in the 50s, so we know it's going to be a 5 for 50. And what comes before 7? 56. Okay, you're going to need a yellow crayon. And somehow all my yellows just broke, so little baby pieces of yellow. Okay, we're going to color the even numbers. So when we did our hundredths chart and we've been practicing counting by tens, we've been learning our even numbers. Oh, I don't know. Oh no. Well, I've lost my little chart. But, so you're just going to start and you're going to skip every one. So you don't color the first one, you color the 2, and then you skip 4, skip 6, skip 8, skip 10. Let's say the top row together. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Faster. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Faster. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now you're going to go down to the second row. You're going to, so we colored 10. It's like a pattern. We colored 10. We're not coloring 11. We're coloring 12. 14, 16, 18, 20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay? So it's every other number. These are called the even numbers. So it means you're skipping a number and you're actually skipping all the odd numbers. So these ones are even. The white ones are odd. Okay. Write the numbers down there at the bottom. Let's do this together. Now remember, if you take away, you have to pay attention to what you're taking away, okay? So 3 plus 1 equals 1 bigger, 4. 5 minus 0 equals 5. 4 plus 0 equals 4. 5 minus 1 equals 4. 6 plus 6 equals 12. That's swell. 8 minus 1 equals 9. 1 plus 7 equals 8. 9 minus 9 equals 0. Okay, lots of new things today. Do your very best. We're going to keep practicing and doing our math facts. So far we've learned our doubles, minus 1 and minus 0, plus 1 and plus 0, and now we're doing minus the same number. Okay, Good job, you guys.